जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि, जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि. बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय. Today we are here in place of Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj Samadhi Sthal, Tirthakshetra Ujni. We can see front of temple and Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj is Shivkalin Sant, and he given so many lectures regarding Adhyatma. Means he want to means his main goal of the life is every human being need to know their life motive, what we have living here, what is our motive of life. And we can see here are our temples, some devotees who are spending every day to service of the God. This is my Ajoba, my Bahu, and my Maharaja and my brother. So we can see these all are persons, and here is the front gate of the this temple. And now we are entering inside, so I can show you how looking inside and how we will know about more thing about the this temple and this Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj. We can see, yeah. Now we are entering inside. So this is inside one temple where Samadhi of Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj is there. And now I want to tell something about Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj. Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj ji in 16th century birthplace Nagar Jilla, which is situated in Maharashtra, but his means Karma Kshetra is called Ujni and Sarsa. So every year in Kartik Masa, from Amosya of means Kartik Amosya to in Kartik Masa, from Amosya to Purnima, that Yatra Mahotsav will be done here. And in that Yatra Mahotsava, we can see this Sabhagraha, where those all programs will be existed, and means they will perform all program here. We can see this thing. Now I will show the back side of the temple. Here this is the Tulsi Varandavana, we can see. Now I will show back side gate of the temple. Due to corona, front gate entry is stopped nowadays due some days. We are entering now inside the temple. Now we can see this is in Maharashtra, Kirtana is like one type of speech. In that speech, Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj ji is telling about how is God, who we are, and this type of knowledge is very must required, because nowadays we can see no one is doing their own duty, just they are claiming others, but we have to concentrate our own strength. So this is the main goal of my Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaja. Now here you can see, there is no matter it is a village or jangla or forest, he just giving proper knowledge to the people how we have to live in the society. We can see here, here's Chhatrapati Shivaraj. You know him as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and one day they have met in a Pandharpura, and Shivaji Maharaj requested to the Ganeshnath Maharaj, please come to my place so I can serve you. And the Sant Sadhu Ganeshnath Maharaj accepted that proposal, but when he went that place, he brought some stones with him, and when he slept down that time, he put that stone backside him. For what? Because Vairagya is very important. When you walking on way of Paramartha, that time we can't don't waste time in the Raj Vilasa, Raj Vaibhava. If you start spending time regarding that, then we can't concentrate on our own spirituality or this chanting of Prabhu Nama. Then what we will do? We will just enjoy our life with those destroyable matters. But Sant Ganeshnath Maharaj don't want to waste life in those things. So that is called Vairagya. Means we have to stay in the society, but as well as we have to make some separation with society. Here we can see one chamatkara. It is called one magic, but it's not like magic or anything, because when one devotee full 100% giving, or he have full trust on his Sadguru, that time everything is possible. Here we can see one lady sat in the Kirtana with her child, and that time Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj giving her one surprise gift, because when he listening that Kirtana, his small baby have died, and that time my Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj come to know those things, and then he given again new life to that child. Means after all, one thing we have to know, when we have full trust on the Sadguru, everything is possible. Just we have to trust on the Sadguru. Here we can see my Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj, who is spending lot of time to knowing his own strength, own spirituality. He not spending time to know the world. Means he is not telling to world, give me respect, give me, no. He is just want to know himself, who am I. Here his Aradhya is Pandurang Paramatma, we can see. Here is one example. When some opposition peoples objected about his social work, they told, don't give any lecture to the people, because people are not don't want to do their daily duty. They are just spending time to chanting Prabhu Nama, or they are lefting samsara, and they are going to jungle. But my Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj told, I didn't told like that to anyone to spend time in the jungla. I am telling to them, do your duty, whatever duty are there, like your about your parents, about your wife, about your child. You have to do our duty, as well as we have to give some time to Prabhu Nama chanting. And same thing Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj is doing here. And that opposition people told, no, we are not agree with this. So what you do, don't give any lecture to the people. If you want to give lecture, then give to the tree. And that time one surprise happened, and Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have given one lecture as well as food to the tree. Here we can see the Mahadev Shiv Shankar, who is also staying with family, as well as he is spending time doing chanting continuous Rama. So Vairagya is not like we have to we need to go in jungla and do something extraordinary. No need. We have to stay in the society, as well as just do Prabhu Nama chanting. Then we will get that same position where all Sant Sadhu Mahatma have reached. Here Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj, who have written Jnaneshwari, and with that book he given proper knowledge of Adhyatma to the society, and he is a founder of Warkari Sampradaya. This is a Guru Dattatreya who have 24 gurus in his life, and he told to all people, don't think Guru is one particular person who wearing orange color dress and something big bread and something. No, not like that. We can take proper knowledge, or any whatever good thing are in this universe, we can take from anything. So that thing my Guru Dattatreya have told us. Here again my Jnaneshwar Mauli, and here is the CCTV facility is there, we can see. Here Akhandit Vina Seva also there. It's a 365 days, 24 hours. it's continually standing one person, not one means it's a shift, like 1 hour someone, another 1 hour, another one, like that service is there. But this Veena must have stand continuously 365 days, we can see. And this is a Samadhi Sthala, we can see, where all every morning from my village all people will come and they will pray to the Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaja. They want proper knowledge, they want proper direction about life living. And now we are also taking darshana of the Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaja. This is called a bukka, which is when bhakta will come, they will put on their own head, we can see. And this is Aradhya, Pandurang Paramatma and Rukmini Mata, we can see. Now we are going to see that Samadhi place where is that existed. Just come with me. And here we can see this is a Samadhi Sthala where Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have taken Samadhi. Samadhi is nothing but when end of the day will come, everyone will expire one day, everyone will die one day. But with doing our own, that what is our duty God given us, that we have to must prove to the world, then only we have to live our life. And same thing Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have done here, and he have taken Samadhi after his work finished. Here we can see some more paintings. He giving lecture to the people about how to live in the society. One more thing I can tell here in this poster, here Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj told God, Allah, Khuda, Bhagwan, these all are not different Paramatma. These all are one Tattva. It is called Advait Siddhanta. So don't fight each other. Khuda is different, God is different, Parameshwar Paramatma, Pandurang Paramatma is different. Not like that. Everyone is same. So don't fight. Just give respect each other and walk our own way. Just do our duty. This is the rule, or this is a means we can tell this is a good correct direction to see the God. And after when my Sant Sadguru prove himself, when he show how he have done so many things in the society, that time my Pandurang Paramatma given gift to my Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaja. It is called Bashinga in Marathi language. Here we can see one more poster. One of the devotee of Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have done this painting. Here is Chhatrapati Shivaraji Maharaj and Sant Sadguru Ganeshnath Maharaj meeting. And this is the end of the session. Jai Hari. We can see this internal structure of the temple. Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hari.